Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and press that bell to get all the latest news and updates from my channel. Global sensation Priyanka Chopra Jonas, who's currently in London these days, has started preparing for her next project, Text for You. The actress shared pictures on her social media while flaunting her hair and nails being done in the salon before she begins working on the film on November 27th. The picture showed the actress wearing a mask while getting a manicure. Her hair was also covered in a plastic sheets as she got a new color job. Sharing the picture, Priyanka Chopra Jonas captioned as "Prep, starting Text for You on Friday." Priyanka Chopra's Text for You is Sony's Screen Gems romantic drama which also stars Sam Heughan. Music icon Celine Dion also plays an important part in the movie. The film is an English remake of the German language film SMS für dich, based on Sophie Karmer's novel. The story centers on a woman who, after tragically losing her fiancé, starts to send romantic texts to his old self. It turns out the number has been reassigned to a man across town suffering from a similar heartbreak. The two meet and feel an undeniable connection but cannot seem to leave the past behind. Dion's music gives them the courage to take a chance on love again. In the remake, the music and influence of Dion, known for her Oscar-winning love ballad My Heart Will Go On from Titanic and other inspirational songs like The Power of Love, gives them the courage to give love a chance again. The film is being directed by Jim, who has also written the script, which Lauren will be rewriting. Text for You is being bankrolled by Thunder Road's Basil, Erica Lee and Esther. Priyanka as also The White Tiger and We Can Be Heroes up for the release. Both the films arrive on Netflix. That's it for today's video. If you like the video, please hit that like button, share the video with your friends and family and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you in my next one. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye guys.